As a party, we are now ready to start having conversations with fellow Kenyans, even including the people of the Mount Kenya region. In a few days' time, you will see all of us, Ngujiri, Wambugu, and many of us, Mheshimiwa Kioni, walking around the towns and villages and churches. We will not forget the churches of our region, speaking to our fellow citizens. I want to say I'm ready now, when I'm energetic and strong, and when I can see, when I don't have to get help to read things. To all my fellow political leaders and players, is that Kenya is one, and we are one people. All of us children of God. Whether you walk from the north, the south, the east, or the west, we are one people.